Cancel.
Schweezy.
Why do Americans joke about Axe body spray? So I'm European, and here it's called Lynx. Now, it's not my cup of tea in terms of deodorant, but lots of people use it, and I don't understand why Americans hate on it. I've seen so many skits in shows where it's referenced, but not in a good light, and in a sarcastic, jovial kind of way. It doesn't smell overtly bad to me, seems incredibly popular, especially in pop culture, and it's inexpensive. So why the hate? Okay. You said you're European, so you're Lynx, obviously. And the only thing I know about Lynx is at least the hair products. I have hair. The hair products, I think I'm going to talk about Axe because I'm from America, Kansas, Missouri, Tennessee, I can only talk about Axe and Lynx. I feel like Lynx does a better job at what they do than whatever the hell Axe is doing. So I just want to give you that heads up. In regards to Axe, their hair products are okay for the price. The price for what you're getting is okay. I used to use their natural whatever, their natural cream or whatever, and it was okay. When I tried to use their pomades, it just didn't fit the job for me or whatever I want. Let's not talk about hair products. We're going to talk about the body sprays, deodorant type of shit. So when I was in high school, there would be a lot of smelly kids in the classroom, and they were smelly outside of the locker room when I had to take PE, and they thought Axe body spray was a replacement for a shower. And so in my mind, I would say Axe body spray is not a replacement for a shower. If you try to cover up your bad stench with Axe body spray, you're going to smell like ass and Axe body spray. That's the rule here. So basically there is a lot of things you can say about here. Maybe a lot of poor kids had Axe body spray and they used it because they weren't allowed to take showers every day. I'm not saying that's the excuse of my school. They were all allowed to take showers every day. I met all their parents, and they were not. I went to a smaller school. So basically the idea of why Axe body spray is a meme for why smelling bad is a thing is because the kids who wouldn't shower would use Axe body spray as a shower, and they would spray it all over themselves as an excuse to try and smell good. And it didn't help. It didn't help at all. None of us like that shit, and they should have stopped while they were ahead, to be honest with you, and everything. And I guess you're in a situation where you don't have to smell that shit. I had to smell that shit. It was bad. The idea of cologne, and also I want to talk about Axe body sprays, how they use their commercials, because their commercials were double pits to chesty. So they'd spray on the pits and they spray it all over their chest, which is way too much for you to be using as a cologne. The idea of cologne, basically, and any woman will tell you this, this is what they want to smell on a cologne, is basically you spray it on yourself, and when a woman is uncomfortably close to you, where it shouldn't be a comfortable position for someone you don't want that close to you, they should be able to smell it. And they should like that smell. That's the idea of cologne. And the idea of Axe body spray is oh, you're going to smell me from 3 feet away. And, that's the problem with Axe body spray. And, I don't think Axe body spray is a bad-smelling fragrance. But it reminds people of bad-smelling people. And that's why in America, Axe body spray is bad. And that's why you should never use that shit. Hey, you just finished one of the many, many highlights from Cancel Schweezy. We got plenty more on the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you like what you just watched, go ahead and smash that like button as well. Go subscribe for more so we can teach you how to be a better human in our world. So, stay awesome.